Ford Code P0299 indicates a turbocharger-supercharger underboost condition. This means the engine control module, or ECM, detects that the manifold absolute pressure is lower than expected, signaling insufficient boost from the turbocharger. Common symptoms include reduced engine performance, sluggish acceleration, black smoke from the exhaust, and the check engine light illuminating. The root causes range from mechanical failures like worn turbo bearings or damaged impellers, to sensor issues with the wastegate solenoid, boost pressure sensor, or MAP sensor. Intake restrictions from clogged air filters or carbon buildup, and even software or electrical problems can also trigger the code. As of September 2025, this remains a prevalent issue in turbocharged Ford vehicles, especially those with EcoBoost engines. Diagnosing P0299 begins by scanning for codes using an OBD2 tool, noting any related codes that may provide additional context. Next, inspect the turbocharger components for physical damage, leaks, or excessive play that could cause underboost. Test the boost pressure with a gauge to ensure it meets manufacturer specifications, such as 15 to 20 psi at full throttle. Check sensors and actuators, such as the wastegate solenoid or MAP sensor, using a multimeter or oscilloscope for proper voltage and signals. Perform a smoke test to detect any leaks in the intake or exhaust system that could cause pressure loss. Repairs range from simple fixes like cleaning carbon deposits to complex replacements of the turbocharger or reprogramming the ECM. Experts note that P0299 is frequently misdiagnosed as a turbo failure when it's actually a sensor fault or intake restriction. Prevention involves regular maintenance, using synthetic oils, and avoiding short trips that promote carbon buildup. Software updates may resolve some P0299 issues, as demonstrated in the 2022 F-150 EcoBoost recall case.